Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 20th of April 2023. Markets ended the three-day losing streak on selective buying in financials, telecom and utility stocks. The benchmark indices ended lower for the second consecutive session on April 18th. Overall, the markets looked flat today. At close, NIFTY was 5.70 points or 0.03% at 17,624.50, while the SENSEX was down 64.55 points, or 0.11% at 59,632.35. Among sectors, the pharma index was down 1% and realty index fell 0.5%, while buying was seen in the capital goods, power, infra and banking names. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Tata Motors, NTPC, and Asian Paints. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Divi's Labs, HUL, ICA Motors. They fell within the range of negative 1.3% to 4.17%. For the development in the corporate segment, we have Tata Motors-owned British luxury carmaker Jaguar Land Rover announced on April 19 that it planned to increase its investments in electric vehicles. With an investment of £15 billion, $19 billion, over the next 5 years, JLR has promised its first new electric Jaguar in 2025. The company recorded robust group global wholesales, including those of its luxury arm, Jaguar Land Rover, during the January-March period, which zoomed Tata Motors shares by 8% in early trade on April 10. The company's global wholesale volume, including that of JLR, spiked 8% on year to 361 units in the fourth quarter of financial year 2023. India's largest cement producer, ULTRATECH Cement, announced that it has commissioned 2.2 MPa brownfield expansion at its grinding unit at Patliputra, Bihar. With this, the unit's grinding capacity has increased to 4.7 MPa. The company's total grey cement manufacturing capacity in India now stands at 129.15 MPa. ULTRATECH Cement has additional capacity will help the company to service the fast-growing cement demand in the East region, and will also help to increase its blended cement ratio. Shares of NBCC India jumped more than 3% on April 20 after the company won a Rs 207.92 crore order from PWD Puduscherry. The order is for providing comprehensive design, engineering, and project management consultancy services Puduscherry for planning, designing and execution of disabled accessible platform along roads, iconic cycle track, remodeling sewage system, recycled water network transmission and providing tertiary treatment plant works for Public Works Department, Puduscherry. The mortgage lender's subsidiary HDFC Capital Advisors will acquire additional 1.8% to 2.4% stake in Loyal IT Solutions for 89.81 rupees per compulsorily convertible preferential share, taking its overall shareholding to 9% to 9.6%. Bank of Maharashtra is aiming to raise capital for financial year 2024, up to 7,500 Indian rupees crore through various modes including follow-on public offer, qualified institutional placement, preferential issue, etc. The board of directors of the bank will discuss the issue in their meeting to be held on April 24, 2023. The board of ADANI Ports and Special Economic Zone will meet on April 22 to consider first, and a partial buyback of certain of its debt securities denominated either in Indian rupees or US dollar during the current financial year. Emkay Global Financial Limited in daily time frame is trading around 80.2 points with a change of 19.95%, and is trading with a net volume of around 482,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 68.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.93. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. Liberty Shoes in daily time frame is trading at 261.5 points with a change of 17.53%, and is trading with a net volume of around 1.37 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 225.8. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.48. For stocks to watch, we have Lemon Tree Hotels looks good on current market price of 86.75. It can be bought at 88 rupees, keeping target of 96 rupees with stop loss of 79. Jindal Steel looks good on current market price of 584.5. It can be bought at 585 rupees, keeping target of 610 rupees with stop loss of 575. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.